what we get is a nice and clean package. So when we unstrap this, out comes a plug and fly, I believe. I think the only thing you have to do is configure the drone outside of plugging in a battery and a receiver. And for the hardware, we have here, I'll unbox it all and then show it to you guys. Alright, now that I unboxed everything unbagged, what we get is 4 standoffs for landing gear. Get an instruction manual, which isn't anything special. It's literally 2 pages explaining how the power distribution works, the specifications of the, so it's not really a manual, it's a specification sheet. But hardware wise, we also get some replacement hex screws for the standoff. We get motor mount screws. We get some screws for the adapters. We also get wiring harnesses, which are soft silicone wires, so they're not like the stiff stuff you get in cheap Chinese boards. And then we also get 4 carbon fiber props, which it's a 530. And as far as I can say is it's pre-assembled, nothing here to do other than, well, I can just quickly inspect here is I dislike the, sorry for the blurriness, the white standoffs. I mean, they could have just gone with black or red or something, but I have a few of those, so I'll replace it with black aluminum standoffs. But I guess, yeah, that's it. It's pretty thick carbon fiber. So the motors are, as you see, 2300 kV, 1806. It's their own brand, so to speak. The board, I believe, yeah, CC3D.